You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello my friends, welcome to the live stream. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, of course, and well, now Bitcoin here is the bottom, right, and to the moon, right, 100k, and that is the new thing, right? People are saying, well, let me tell you something here. This is just a bounce, so for what? Continuation to the downside. In 4-hour chart, well, I finished with my technical analysis. The reason is very simple. There is no time. We have this, there is no time. I mean, Bitcoin even is not testing the M55 here. So around here, this area between $21,000 and $20,000, this is the area I am actually looking for shorts. Actually, I was in short actually yesterday here in this around here in this this move around $20,600 around there. Yes, I protected my entry when I was in profit. I wake up, well, I gotta stop it. Okay, no problem at all. I mean, I'm okay. I mean, I am not worried. So, but in general, I am just looking for shorts. The trend is your friend, and Bitcoin is just, well, I think now people they are thinking, oh, Bitcoin finally, right? The bottom is in. No, actually, I am expecting Bitcoin is gonna break $17,000 because I am not expecting $17,000 is not based on volume, of course, is not relevant. So I'm still looking for 14k and even lower maybe. Okay, so let's talk about the weekly close. Weekly close is very interesting right now here. We have some confirmations. Very bad news for all my friends there. Well, let me show you here. We have invalidation in the bullish divergence I was looking for maybe 2 months. That means is continuation. So Bitcoin in general, I'm expecting continuation, and the probabilities to see more downside, sorry, now are higher actually. So get ready, because actually maybe July as well is gonna be a red month maybe. And also let's talk about something very important. The monthly is coming, just 9 days left. So Bitcoin closed the first weekly below the MI55, something that we didn't see actually, at least not like this. Is the first time. So Bitcoin is doing something new, yes. And also the most concerning thing here is that Bitcoin is not testing actually the zero line here in the monthly. So we have at least after 2-3 months for more pain actually in monthly charts. So well, you think 20k is the bottom? Good luck, honestly. Yeah, honestly, I'm not sarcastic. Actually, I'm hoping, because as investor, I don't want to see Bitcoin testing 14k, because I explained many times, if you see 14k tested, well, short term very good or mid term, but in the long term it's gonna be very bad. I think we will not see 100k for long time, or maybe we will not see 100k at all. But well, never mind. Now we have here the second signal for Bitcoin in OBB. Today. It's very simple. The first signal in OBB here, well, was amazing, right? Very powerful, this signal here, and from there, continuation to the downside. Now we have the second signal here. If we see a rejection, I mean, these 4 hours are playing, and this rejection again, well, you can expect continuation to the downside. The trend is your friend. ADX is positive here. Of course, you can say, hey, but the curve is still, looks like it's gonna cross here. Maybe yes. So, but same thing here. The problem here is as long as the ADX is positive here, well, curve is something like it's gonna help you to say, well, maybe Bitcoin is gonna enter in range, maybe 1 month, potentially yes, but I am not expecting something like that. The reason is macro time frame. Macro time frames right now, they are very bad and they are trending to the downside. Actually, I can see more pain. Actually, is coming. Left eye the chart. This is nasty. Actually, I need to say. I mean, is the ADX is still positive, and also the bullet divergence. Actually, we have this invalidation. And the most important thing here is we have an invalidation of the bullish divergence from this point and this point with this close. So we have invalidations of bullish divergence in all the time frames actually. So that's why this is very concerning. I was expecting, if this is the bottom, usually one of the way I see this kind of, when I'm looking for bottoms, I want to see bullish divergence in macro time frames, but we don't have anything right now. So that's why I'm looking for actually more shorts. To the chart, okay, maybe it's, okay, but we have bullish divergence here today, maybe yes, you are right. But if we have this bullish divergence, it's gonna be just a bounce maybe, but I don't think so that is gonna happen honestly. Yeah, I think Bitcoin is just going to keep trending to the downside, and that's it. And that's it. Well, I'm testing the mic. Looks like let me see if I can do something. One moment. Let me see if I can see some. If I can make. Let me see. Okay, let me see. One moment. Okay, yeah. Let me fix it. Okay. Okay, now I think now I fix it. Please let me know if you. Yeah, actually it's 100%. So I think yeah, my mic was too far. I think now I think it's better. Okay, so this is just okay. Maybe this is hammer reversal. Actually no. Why? Because well, we have the test into the chart here. This is very bad. Also, any rejection actually, any close. Maybe let me see. Below 20k, I will say it. In tomorrow actually the next candle closing below 20k, this you will see reaction into the chart and continuation to the downside. Okay, so yep, yeah, I mean this is bad, this is very bad. Believe me, I mean I would like to say Bitcoin from here to the moon, yes, to the moon, right? No, Bitcoin even cannot break the 4-hour chart downtrend. Okay, so actually I finished with my technical analysis for Bitcoin. The biggest or the most important technical analysis is coming next week. July 1st is a big date for me in all the history for Bitcoin. Why? Because we are gonna have multiple candles closing. Is the 3-month charts, 2-month chart, and 2 months and 6 months, 2, 3, and 6. So the 6 month of course is the most important here, and this, my friend, is well reversal. Is closing like this, is reversal in macro time frames for first time in the history for Bitcoin, and you can expect the lowest point in this year. I mean, I'm not saying next week, this year. That means we can see a bounce, for example, in 1-day chart, yes, but overall, all this year, closing like this Bitcoin, you will see around 10k, 14k in some point this year. Okay, so let me tell you something right now. If $10,000 breaks, of course, I am not expecting something like that. Yes, well, 0. So of course I'm expecting a good reaction around 10k, 14k. Yes, but right now, thinking Bitcoin is gonna close like this. You want to see validations? Yes. Okay. In 6-month chart, I mean, right now Bitcoin has maybe 7 days to close about $30,000 right now. I mean, I need to see Bitcoin pumping right now to $30,000. $25,000 better because it's $55 around there, and I can say, okay, maybe it's in validation. Yes. Okay, but based on this price action today, any close like this, well, 10k is the target. 14k, 10k around there. So, well, you don't have to be expert to read this chart. This is very simple price action. Actually, it's very simple. So this is just is reversal, yeah. And also all the profits you saw in 2020 about 30K is all everything is destroyed. So where is the area confluence? The next one. Well, all the area from 2018 2019 is gonna be the area. So simple technical analysis. Okay. So let's talk about the 2-month chart. 2-month chart here is gonna close as well. Yes, well, MA55 is where it is. Well, it's a 15K. 15K never tested, at least with this chart, never tested before. So well, then sorry, but you keep asking about quant out $20. I don't know why you are thinking that asset is going to test $20. Maybe yes. You see Bitcoin at 14K or 10K, maybe yes. But for now, last time I checked, and it was holding $40. And with this bounce of Bitcoin, I think it's around 45, 50. I don't know. I need to see the chart, but you have to wait, I think. I don't know why $20 is very important. I don't know. But what? Never mind. So here, yeah, MA55 in 2 months looks like it's gonna test this in bi-monthly. 15K, 14K is the area. Yes, at least with this Bitstamp. Let me see if BLX I can see something different. Well, never tested before. We are gonna see the first test in the history for Bitcoin, the MA55 in bi-monthly. Maybe this week or maybe next month. Who knows? But yeah, 14K, potential a week there to 10K, 11K makes sense. So right now, the 3-month chart, the next big close we have here is, well, breaking the MA21 below 22 for first time in the history. Actually, that is very bad. Any close below $22,000, for example, the Bitcoin you see closing $17,000 or 15 this month, we will have not just one moving average broken, like MA55 in weekly chart. We will have the moving average 200 weekly chart, MA21 3-month chart, and 2-month chart also. So it's something like, my friend, I think you don't get it, right? If Bitcoin is gonna do something like I am expecting right now, all your altcoins, doesn't matter which one, technically will actually, they have a very real possibility to crash 95, 97%, even more, almost 100. So that is the point. Yeah, 90% all the altcoins will just crash following Bitcoin. Okay. So in average, Bitcoin is crashing 85, 86% in all the bear markets. But the problem here is, like, I'm talking about something totally different. All the corrections. Okay, let me fix this, because this is a problem I can see for many YouTube channels. Okay, let me be clear. Bitcoin has never been a bear market. Oh wow, maybe you don't believe me. Well, in monthly chart, this is since Bitcoin since 2010, Bitcoin has been in uptrend all the life, all the time. Okay, so weekly chart. All the bear markets, the bear market 2015, no, my friend, it's not a bear market. Just people with experience, sorry for saying this. This is a normal correction of weekly chart. Normal corrections on weekly chart, okay? Normal corrections, pullbacks. All the correction you see here and here, I hope so, maybe here, looks like it's not. In the past, they tested MA55 in monthly, and after that we saw the bounce. Let me show you here. So your bear markets, your previous bear markets, yeah, they were just pullbacks testing the MA55 in monthly. MA55, and again MA55. You see? Okay. Now, if we understand Bitcoin has never been in a bear market in monthly, well, and also 86% is the average correction for weekly corrections. If Bitcoin breaks this area, the MA55 here for first time in the history, yes. Question: how much Bitcoin is gonna crash more? I mean, what is the next target? 86. 86 is in the past thinking Bitcoin is just having a normal weekly correction. You see, 6 months, 8 months, maximum 1 year. Okay, so this is the problem. We don't know, because there is no data. We don't have data to say, okay, Bitcoin in a previous monthly bear market, we have this correction. No.
So Bitcoin, there is a very real possibility right now, and I am saying this right now, but if you watch my videos, I am saying this since 2021. It's very funny, right? Because the bear market started for all the media last week. And since November 2021, I am just shorting Bitcoin. Actually, you are not in this channel. I think you know that, right? Especially you on the private channels, right? Well, now the question is, and I don't have the answer. Let me tell you something. I don't have the answer. I don't know. Yeah. The only thing I'm telling you is just think about it. This correction or yours is a correction in weekly chart, but we never had before a monthly bear market. The target, who knows? So the next technical analysis after July 1st, well, my technical analysis from November 2021 was Bitcoin is 69 and it's gonna test the MI55. Done. Okay, after 6 months. Very good. Perfect. The problem is 6 months. This is not good. Why? Because Bitcoin in the past spent more than 1 year testing the MI55. More than 1 year. And right now, just 6 months. This is not good. So if you know about, maybe you don't know about, if you don't know about price action, let me tell you something. Bitcoin, every time, yeah, just using this momentum indicator, the curve, when it's bouncing, all the bounces are lower and lower and lower. So we have 1, 2, 3. Do you see that? Very divergence in monthly chart for since the last 10 years. If you try to think, okay, in a very simple words, what is happening right now with Bitcoin is very simple. All the market cycle here and here, people are buying less and less, and they are dumping. This is the momentum. The momentum is less and less and less and less. Of course, we have the normal OBV. You will see the volume how is decreasing. So that is the problem. Now, as I said before, in this channel, you will see just realistic technical analysis. Okay. One thing is what I believe. Other thing are the facts. Okay. So now, for example, the sentiment, especially for people without experience. Now, people here is 69 to 100K. Right now, 20K, 5K, 1K, Bitcoin to zero, right? That is the sentiment. No. If you are thinking in this way, well, careful. Why? Because you have a retailer mentality, okay? I strongly recommend you to read some books about psychology of trading if you have these kind of problems, okay? So, right now, if this projection is gonna play and we are gonna enter in a bear market in monthly, Bitcoin will not crash to zero right now. No. Bitcoin is gonna spend maybe 1 year or 2 with very significant bounces, for example, like this, and it's gonna take years. That is the problem, my friend, because I'm talking about monthly chart. So monthly, you have to wait maybe a couple years. That is the problem. When Bitcoin, I said Bitcoin is going to zero, or Bitcoin is gonna test 20K, mid-20s. No, you are crazy. Bitcoin, no, my God, no. Bitcoin will never break the previous high, sorry, 2017. Bitcoin to the moon, right? And that is the problem, yes? So, right now, I need to tell you something. It's very simple. The answer is very simple. We are gonna get our answer, what is gonna happen the next, all 2022 and 2023, I can say, in 1 week. So, just wait and watch Netflix, relax, okay? Why? Because when the next candle closing in 3 months, 2 months, and 6 months, we are gonna get the information, at least based on probabilities, what we can expect in the next 6 months or 1 year or price action using micro timeframes. And the only thing I can tell you right now is this very simple. Any close below 25K, it works below 20, because actually closing below the previous high in 2017 is gonna be actually the biggest hint right now. Of course, yes, there is a very high probability you will see 14K and 10K or 10K tested. And this move here is gonna destroy all the massive uptrend in monthly. Okay, it's gonna be destroyed. Okay, that is the problem. It's gonna be destroyed. Yeah, this healthy uptrend, yeah, is gonna be destroyed. Now, I didn't want to I didn't want to talk about this, but let me show you something. In the next close here in OBB, you will see Bitcoin testing the zero line in OBB. Okay, so it's gonna enter in for first time in the history, at least since 2018. With this all this data, of course, I need to see. I need to fix this indicator because I will fix it because I wanna see all the past. But Bitcoin for first time in the history monthly is gonna enter in negative territory in OBB. So the first bear market potentially in monthly. Now, you will say, oh my God, again, bearish. No. I mean, you're thinking that maybe you're new here, but I've been talking about this since 2021 in October, November. Well, now people are blaming, it's because the war, it's because the inflation, it's because aliens, it's because predator, blah, 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 blah. No, my friend, no. People lie, news, they lie, charts, they are saying the facts. Just I am telling you based on the facts, based on the probabilities, what I see and what I saw before, 6 months before. That's why, well, for maybe many people, now the bear market is very destructive. Honestly, for me, is one of the best moments. Actually, as a trader, my God, is one of the best moments for me as a trader. As a trader, it's not one of the best. I am very happy, yeah, because I've been shorting at 66, a 40, 60, 60, 65, a 55, and 47k, and also the last big short was 30k, and so on. Okay, of course, swing shorts. Very happy. So my job as a trader, as usual, is I need to project the price like this, right? Like this. And also you will see, especially with these crypto YouTubers, they have more than 50k or 100k followers, you will see something like this, right? Well, my powerful triangle, right? This is my triangle. Sorry, I saw yesterday one guy, he was doing this. Yeah, this is my falling wedge. My falling wedge is like this. Let me do that. Sorry. My falling wedge is like this, Yes, as you can see here. This is, well, you will see in some point this, and the target is like this, right? Wow, imagination. Very good imagination. So, that's why, be careful, especially right now on Bitcoin. Thank you all the community because they are sending me some videos about some investors and YouTubers. They are saying, they share technical analysis on this kind of things. One guy, right, for example, he has more than 20k followers, and he bought million token at what? I think around $100. Wow, very smart. Okay, so, well, never mind. Technically speaking, we need to be ready. At least in this channel, at least in my case, for me, the most important day, all not this year, I mean, all of the 10 years of price action is in 9 days. July 1st, remember. July 1st, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna upload the video actually, because I can tell you right now, if we see this close, as investor, I don't want to see Bitcoin testing 40k. Why? Because if I see Bitcoin 14k, if I see Bitcoin testing 14k, in the long term, all this beautiful uptrend for 10 years is gonna be destroyed. Okay, that is the problem. As investor, I need to see Bitcoin closing above $25,000 in the next 10 days. As investor, okay. Why? Because if that happens, well, we can say, well, this is like potentially the bottom here, of course, potentially, and you can say, okay, maybe 69, 70, 90, 100k, $1 million, right? Potentially. Why? Because the trend is your friend, and the trend is to the upside right now. Okay. So I hope you could understand this. Very simple technical analysis is just the trend is your friend, right? The trend is your friend. So if Bitcoin breaks here, well, you will see a bounce here. People will call the bottom is in, and well, this bounce is gonna be just a continuation to the downside in the long term. I mean, I'm talking about maybe next year. Okay. Let's continue with the next chart. The most bullish chart I can see right now in the markets, and it's not any altcoin. It's actually the USD dominance. Remember, we are in a monthly breakout here, and we have continuation. The ADX is positive here. Any close above a 70.39 here are the previous. Okay, let me be clear. The previous high here, you can expect around 10, 11 maybe next month. Okay, continuation. We have very bad news. Actually, I am very disappointed. Honestly, I was looking for this setup for months because I was looking for this actually. I have very bad news. The bearish divergence I was looking for potential bottom for Bitcoin was destroyed last weekend. I was looking for this setup here, bearish divergence. We don't have it anymore. Well, this is to the moon. This is to the moon. Yeah. If we see a pullback, it's just a pullback. That's it. If we see a pullback in one day chart, yes, it's just a pullback. And I have bad news as well. The bearish divergence I was projecting here, well, this weekend was destroyed actually. You see, we don't have bearish divergence. So this overall, this is bullish, and we have continuation in all the time frames. 5-day chart, we have ADX positive. The bearish divergence destroy it, and also the weekly chart here destroy it here. And the last one is the big one, of course, is the bearish divergence in monthly we have here. But the problem, my friend, here is because you see this bearish divergence in monthly to the moon, right? No, this is actually from here is around 1 year, 1.5 years. So right now, December 2021, you can expect 1 year around 2022, November, December. Potentially, we will see the top of this move. So that's why I am not looking for the bottom, right? I hope to be wrong. Honestly, I would like to see I am wrong. But well, as I said before, just I am telling you what I see in the charts, okay? And everything now is more clear, and it's worse for Bitcoin, and it's better for dollar USD. So USD dominance is increasing, so very bad news for Bitcoin, okay? So let's talk about the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance, let me show you here. This is a pullback. We were expecting something like this, remember? A rejection from MA21. Overall, this is just continuation. All this year, I'm expecting this asset is gonna keep pumping here. So in general, all the altcoins, all your favorite altcoins will crash. Simple, okay? That's it. For example, a good example is Solana. I like Solana. The monthly in 9 days is gonna any close below 40, 42. You will see continuation, eventually $20, and if this level breaks, well, Solana to zero. So around $5 maybe. Now, it's a good example here. Right now, Solana, people said this is the bottom. Good luck with that. Okay, this was just a bounce here, testing the MA21, and that's it. It's over. Okay. Oh, but we have bullish divergence. Yes, we have some accumulation. Yes. Okay, but the problem here is if Solana is very far away from the MA55. It's a good example, and in the next 4 days, you will see the center line tested here. And if Solana is below 40, I would say 40, 45, around here, around this area, you will see continuation to the downside. That's it. Okay. Now, let's talk about the total 2. Yes, let's talk about it. Okay. 1 day chart, well, potentially just a bounce. Maybe yes, we have bullish divergence. Yes, so maybe just a small, this bounce right now, the bounce you see right now. But I don't believe in this kind of in this setup right now. Why? Because well, the macro time frames right now they are playing weekly chart. Well, bad news for all of you, my friends. Bullish divergence destroyed this weekend. Continuation to the downside. So ADX is very strong, positive. We don't have accumulation in OBV, and the monthly in 9 days. This is very concerning. Actually, I need to say it. This is very, very concerning. Well, any close below 500, below here around 400. You can say, okay, this is not broken, maybe no, but overall, if Bitcoin is gonna break, because that is my expectation based on, of course, of the charts, you can expect the next target is gonna be 350, and is where you are gonna see maybe Ethereum at $600 or 500, something like that. Now, let's continue with just some altcoins, because in general, you know me, right? I don't trade altcoins when I am in a bear market. So just it's about risk management. It's up to you, right? I am not accumulating anything, not yet. Just Bitcoin. I bought Bitcoin at 17K, just small, just a little bit, and that's it. Now, here, Ethereum. It's a very simple game. Any close below 1K, you will see full retrace to 500. Okay, simple. The reason is very simple. There is no volume to support this area. Here is an empty space. Is an empty space here. Okay, so that is the point. The biggest volume for Ethereum is around between 500 to 360, and that is gonna be very bad for the market because you don't wanna see this. This is something you don't wanna see. Yeah. Remember, Bitcoin. If you see Bitcoin at 14K, well, you need to start thinking potentially we will see the first bear market in monthly. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. The SP500. The SP500 is something like I need to see. I don't like to see stocks, but well, it's very simple. The next week, I think this week. Sorry, I'm expecting order leg down to the downside. 3,500 is the area I'm gonna start looking for, and here is where I would like to see a potential bounce. Okay, so historically speaking, this is an uptrend, of course, but every time when this asset is testing the MA55 here, get ready. Why? Because potentially we can see a week, something like this, something like this, something like this. Okay, I will say maybe this month or next month, maximum next month, we are gonna see the bottom of the market. Yes. Okay. Remember, not because you see the SP500 breaking down. This is a uptrend, and this is an uptrend. Okay. Okay, so just watch 3,500. Any close below there, well, more pain to come for the markets. Now we are gonna have the 6 months chart for this asset, and I have bad news for all of you guys. Any close below, actually 3,500. 3,500 is the level. Any close below 2,500 July 1st, this is gonna be reversal, and in the long term, the next 6 months of the 2022, you can expect $3,000 for the SP500. Of course, in the macro time frames, this is bullish. Okay, this is bullish, right? So you can expect something like this, right? But this, people will say, it's like the crash in 2008 or something like that, right? Well, that is the problem. You are just wasting your time for our chart. Okay, so well, just wait for 1 week. July 1st, you will get all the answer, of course, based on probabilities, right? I can be wrong, totally fine. Okay, so let's start with some questions. Let me see. Okay, Quant. Let me see, Quant, because you are asking every day you are asking about this coin. I don't know why it's so special, but okay, maybe you're holding this coin, I guess, or you want to buy this coin, but I think it's not very smart buying altcoins right now in general in the long term. Why? Because, well, the Bitcoin dominance and all the things I said are like 40 minutes, I think. But as I said before, I am not a financial advisor, and also I have my own rules. I don't trade any altcoins if I see Bitcoin in downtrend or I don't see Bitcoin is healthy. Okay, so let me see here. Yeah, $20. No, I don't think so. Let me see. Okay, well, yes, maybe this is just a friendly downtrend here, as you can see here, testing the MA21 here and continuation to the downside. Now, any close below 40, well, the ground is the limit. I don't know. There is nothing to support this asset below 40. Okay, and maybe your $20, maybe you will hit, but I don't know why you are thinking $20 is a good target, because there is nothing to support $20, right? Just is an empty space. Okay, so let me see. Gold is bullish, my friend. Gold is bullish. Gold is bullish in the long term. This is bullish. This is bullish. Okay, let me tell you something here. Even if gold, you see the sell signal here potentially, right? In monthly, yeah, potentially. Look at this. Just the maximum is 1,700, and oh my god, it's just around what? 10%. Oh my god, 10%. That is the thing. That's why or rich people or wealthy people, they move to gold. Why? Because the volatility is very low. You cannot compare just losing 5%, or technically losing just 5%, 10%, than maybe 60, 70% with Bitcoin, right? That is the thing. So this is for me okay. Yes, we have potentially sell signal in progress. It will take some months, maybe yes, but even with this sell signal, this is just it's gonna be about a test to the MA55 and a very friendly, very good uptrend here to the upside. Actually, I'm expecting actually other test to maybe 1,900. Any close about $2,000? Yes, the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit, and that is my speculation for gold in the long term. Of course, I am saying maybe by the end of the year or maybe next year. Okay. Remember, gold is very bad for trading, especially you want to trade gold in 4-hour chart. I think you are losing your time because gold, the volatility is super low. XRP to zero, my friend. Look, I don't know why people they believe in this kind of garbage. Sorry, but this is garbage. One of the worst charts I can see right now. Technically speaking, it's very simple. The game is very simple. The target hit, yeah, I was expecting around this level. This game is very simple. Below 0.30 cents, you will see zero. Well, no, actually 0.1615, the lows of 2020 March. And from there, a long term, like million token, remember? Long term sideways here, almost death. Okay. I don't know why people say, this is to $10, like $10, $20. I have no idea why, or what, based on what, I have no idea. At least with the charts, I cannot tell you. Okay, so this continuation in monthly, this continuation to the downside. Okay, let me see for our chart because I am trading actually. I am looking for my positions as well. Let me see. We are almost there. Maybe other 8 hours around there. Yeah, maybe. We are almost there. The biggest warning here is, I know maybe you're new, well, you don't know iOS, but iOS is something like we never seen before. That is the biggest warning actually I got here. 2018, 2020 lows broken, and now continuation on the ground is the limit. Where it's gonna stop, I have no idea because we don't have anything to support here. Okay, so well, look, maybe yes. I mean, but be careful because 12 cents. And look at this. What happened with iOS to the moon, right? Careful. Okay, so let's continue. BNB is the one coin I am watching actually right now. Monthly reversal, yes. Well, any close below $200 this month, you will see 140, and from there, big crash to 25, 50 around there. Let me see the weekly chart because it's insane. Let me see here. Yes, we have. Next week we will get invalidation of the bullish divergence forming here, crossing the zero line here for first time since always. I mean, I don't have more data here, so yeah. I mean, negative, and there is nothing to support below 200. There is nothing to support the price. In the long term, you can expect maybe 85, 50 around there for OBB. So. I think that's it. Yeah, the last coin. Yeah, I remember some people are asking me about this because the fork, because the news, because I don't know. Okay, let me show you. Okay, ADX positive here. Yes. Next week, any close below right now, like this. This is a continuation to the downside, like this. Okay, just using price action. Why? Because technically speaking, it's almost in weekly chart. We have the invalidation of bullish divergence. And let me see the chart. Yeah, invalidation of bullish divergence here. This is to the downside. The good thing here for Cardano, I can see some accumulation right now is yes, but it's normal, right? Because the previous high in 2018 is the bottom, right? Same as Bitcoin. Yeah. Let me tell you something, my friend. Any close below 0.45 for Cardano, you will see continuation. Actually, this continuation is gonna be fast, destructive. And my targets, like when people they say, you're crazy, we will never see Cardano at this price. Well, I will be here very happy saying, I told you. So, yeah, Ethereum to zero. Ethereum, as I said before, this continuation to the downside, okay? To the downside. I don't work with that kind of things, but I can do the technical analysis for you. No, I mean it's fine. You can use my system to all the assets. I mean, as long we have volume or we have momentum, I can do it. So let me see the monthly, because of course the monthly is something like I would like to see. Okay, testing the previous low here. ADX positive here. No bullish divergence. The game is very simple here, my friend. This asset is testing the previous lows since 2018, 2017, and 2015. Any close, for example, this month below 1, you will see a leg down all the way down to 0.89, 0.90. Okay, so but not because this is a projection, of course, but pay attention of this. Here is like here short and here long. No. This is a range. You are in a range right now. This is the middle, yes, or your range. So you can speculate at least. You can expect other leg up here from $1 or 1 to 2.10, 1.10 around there. Now the problem here is, as I said before, any close below 1, you can expect this leg down around 0.89, 80 cents. Let me see by monthly. I can tell you something. 6 months, because we will have this close very soon. Let me see. With the next close time is almost over, of course, at least just following my system of trading. This is simple. This is very simple. If by the end of the year you see this asset not breaking with below 1.10 around this area, the time is over, and you will see a sell signal in 2023 around there, and you will see this asset to 0. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I think that's it. I think I'm done with the technical analysis for Bitcoin, and also, well, let's recap for Bitcoin, and also all the altcoins in general. Is like this. Okay, my arrow is very powerful. Okay, like this. That's it. Okay, if you are thinking like this, well, I respectfully disagree with you. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going